Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Lifewit 8-pack drawer dividers, designed to transform your cluttered spaces into organized havens. These rectangular, white dividers are expandable and adjustable, fitting seamlessly into most drawers and cabinets with a width of 0.8 inches, a height of 5 inches, and an adjustable length ranging from 13.5 to 22 inches. With a simple press of the top button, you can easily adjust the length, ensuring a secure fit with strong spring tension that keeps each divider upright and stable. Crafted from durable ABS material and featuring high-quality EVA foam sponges on the ends, these dividers protect your drawer's inner walls from scratches and damage, leaving no traces or residue behind. Whether you're organizing clothes, kitchen utensils, office supplies, makeup, or bathroom essentials, these multi-purpose dividers are perfect for any drawer in your home or office. Offered in sets of 5 or 8, they provide customizable placement options, allowing you to arrange them vertically or horizontally to suit your specific organizing needs. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy, organized space with Lifewit drawer dividers, your ultimate solution for easy access and streamlined storage. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.